Here's how to get the Cash App card under 18. First, keep in mind that anyone under 18 needs a parent or guardian who is 18 or older to sponsor their Cash App teen account. Open the Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open your account information. From here, scroll down until you find family accounts or the option to set up a teen account. Tap this option to view the available features. Cash App allows teens between 13 and 18 to access expanded features with approval from a parent or guardian. The teen can get their own cash card, send and receive money, and access other available banking features. The parent or guardian can also manage the teen account, view activity, control spending limits, and set up recurring payments if needed. To get started, tap Invite and choose how you want to send the invitation. If you're sending it by text, enter the teen's information and send the invitation link. Make sure you use the specific teen account invitation link rather than a standard Cash App referral link. This ensures the account is set up with the appropriate parental controls. Also, make sure the Cash App is updated if the family accounts option isn't showing, since features can vary by account and availability. That's all for this video. Thanks.